Good times. Me and my cousin, we just got back from our dance class. Our teacher is terrific. Just watch. The music just takes us.
Speak dirty. Oh, baby. Yes. Your turn. Go. Go. Da. So do you want to go swimming later?
Yeah, let's go.
I just peed my crap out.
Together.
I'm getting my braces off Friday. My teeth are gonna be like hers. Ready? Smile.
Nice day. It's a beautiful day.
Oh, yeah. Barbara Bush.
Saturday, I went to a strip club and
That's great!
Wait, hold on.
You got wasted.
Wait.
What? A liar! You should be crucified!
This is Rachel.
Girlfriend.
You have a
girlfriend.
you have a girlfriend? Hey,
Talk to her? Who is this?
this is Rachel.
Oh, you have a boyfriend? Your little ass.
You're such a biatch. You're not getting anything from Santa Claus. You little Excuse me, I am 21 years old. I'll show you it today because it's time.
Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep
Hello?
Hey, what are you doing?
Just driving around. I got off work early, so I just,
Okay, great. That's great. I think you should come over. I think it's time. Wait, is that her car? What are you doing? I just called you.